What's up, guys? Today we're gonna be trying to get a fidget spinner. I've been wanting a fidget spinner since like forever, and I've already been in here, and I know what to do. If you want to get a free fidget spinner, get on this video right now. The guy who's doing it right now is Fidget. His name is Fidget Spinner. All you need to do is type in live fidget spinner giveaway. Scroll down. Dang it, I lost it. Oh yeah, down here. Until you find fidget spinner right here. Right here, you get coins. And they're rare fidget spinners. There's gold ones, there's Deadpool one, Batman, Flash, Pokemon, Captain America, all kinds of different ones. See, look at all those fidget spinners. Don't you want one? If you don't already have one, just like me. Crap. Sorry, guys. I just wanted to get my hat on. Oh, by the way, if you can't see what it says Alabama. Every 2 minutes, you get 5 coins. And look, in that little corner, right over here. Look, right over here. You can see, look, right there. Can you see it? It says, want to double your coins? Say flip coin, exclamation mark, flip coin 5. That's what I'm about to do. You either win or you lose. You type it in. Flip coin 5. Come on. Did I win or did I lose? I lost, dang it. See how many coins I got. Oh, it already has coins. Yeah, I told you I've already been on here. It says Gaming Andre. You watched the stream for 1 hour. And gathered 75 coins. Two, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12. Wait, it says 5 coins. 2, 4, 6. I should have like, what am I, 30? I don't know. Yeah, 30 right now, but every 5 minutes I got 2 coins. I don't get it. But now, every 2 minutes, I get 5 coins. Oh, and I have this timer up here on my Xbox One. So I know when 2 minutes is up. Okay, Now, we're going to try this again. Flip coin 5. That's the word. Exclamation mark, flip coin 5. Which is right here. You can see it right there. Oh, and I'll move this camera. The rules. Subscribe. Like this stream. Turn notification on. And comment enter to enter the giveaway. Then you can start saying, whatever I was about to say. What was I about to say? Exclamation mark, flip coin 5. And exclamation mark, 5 coins, right there. Down here, keep going down, keep going down, keep going down. And that bottom orange. Well, not technically the bottom orange. But you can see it under the blue. Look, my coins, right there. Okay. Oh, 2 minutes is up. I better go check on my coins. I told you guys, look. I still have 75 coins, but poop. Okay, guys. I don't know why this head's slipping. Okay, guys. I'll see you on another fidget spinner. I don't have a fidget spinner. Dang it. Video. Bye. Oh, guess what? If you're like my friend, dab. Stay dabbing. Okay? Instead of juicy